If you've ever scrolled down a whole column just hunting for the smallest number, this one's going to save you a lot of time. It's called min. Part 6 of our 10-part series, and after this video, you'll never search for a lowest value by hand again. So what does min actually do? You point it at a range, and it hands back the smallest number it can find. That's it. It skips blanks, it even reads dates. The earliest date is just the smallest number. But careful, a typed 0 absolutely counts, and it will win. Here's a real example. 5 supplier quotes, and I need the cheapest one. I don't sort, I don't filter, I don't scroll. I just type equals min, open bracket, B2 to B6. Excel reads the whole column and gives me 410. That's my best price. Now watch what happens when the column gets messy. Bravo says nah, and Sarah left the cell completely blank. Min doesn't panic. Text and blanks are simply ignored, so the answer is still a real number, 480. Just remember, if someone had typed a 0, that 0 would have won. Min has 2 siblings you should meet. Max finds the biggest number, and small goes further. Small with a rank of 2 gives you the second lowest, perfect for a top 3 cheapest list. Here's the neat part. Small with a rank of 1 is exactly min. But min gives you a number, never a name. So who actually quoted 410? 3 steps. Min finds it. Match tells me it sits in row 2 of the range, and index grabs the name from that row. Bravo. Stack them into one formula, and every cheapest supplier report writes itself. Next, what if you only want the cheapest quote in one region? That's a job for MINIFS. The answer range comes first, then the range to test, then the test itself, north. Only the north rows are in the race, and the cheapest one is 120. Need more conditions? Just add more pairs. Min can also look in several places at once. January's price is here, February's price is there. One formula, 2 ranges, and min returns 95, the cheapest of either month. And try the ceiling trick. Min of 100 and B2. Whatever happens, it never goes above 100. 3 traps before you go. 1. Zeros. A blank is skipped, but a typed 0 wins every time. Filter it with min IFs and a greater than 0 test. 2. Numbers stored as text are invisible to min. Multiply the column by 1 or use value. 3. An empty range returns 0. Wrap it in if with count, or you'll trust a fake answer. Quick recap. Min for the smallest, max for the biggest, small for any rank, min ifs for conditions, index plus match to find the name, and min ifs greater than 0 to ignore those zeros. Screenshot this one. You'll use it every week. And that's min. Same idea as max, opposite direction. 1 extra trap. Next up is a big one, the if function, where Excel finally starts making decisions for you. Like it, save it, and tell me in the comments what you want after that.